Security is one of the major challenges which we are facing now. Everybody working from home, work from anywhere, and all is there. So we don't have a traditional control of everything within our network. So lots of security challenges are there on board for every company. So that is the one which we are to deal with.
The cyber security, which is oftenly for all these areas might have faced, and the second one is to retain the resources or the skill set at the organization level. So these are the main two challenges I can say is there currently in organizations.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.